Snow day. How much snow is there, pupper? Oh yeah, there's 12 inches. If I throw that in the snow, will you go get it? Wow, there's a lot of snow.
That's a lot of snow.
Oh, there's a whole lot of snow today. This nor'easter really came through. Certainly 12 inches. Light fluffy stuff, so I should be able to get it blown away. But it is going to insulate the pond, so we're not going to have safe ice there for a long time. Kind of see it's all wet.
Well, I would like to hold my little hand.
Boy, it's a beautiful light fluffy snow. The way it's picking up though, it collapsed the inch and a half of ice on the pond. Boy, I'm a little winded trudging around in this. Oh, it is pretty though.
Send me on my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way. I would like to reach out my hand. Oh, me tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up where golden hair. Me say, me tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, I would like to hold my little hand. Have you been I would like to hold my little hand. Have you been
Absolutely beautiful today. It's a light snow, sticks to the tree branches, and it just makes it just an absolutely beautiful winter wonderland.
I would like to hold my little hand. I would like to hold my little hand.
I'd have to say there's a solid 12 inches, maybe 13 there. That ought to insulate the hot tub. So the storm's winding down now. So it looks still about 22 degrees, so it's light and fluffy. I'm going to do a little snow blowing around the shed so I can get at things, get into the trailer. And I'm going to put the paddle tires on and see, oh, I don't know if you can ride in this. We did get a good 14 inches. I was talking with some of my friends and they saw 30 inches, even 36 inches, 20 and 30 miles to the south. So really a good storm.
I'm never
think the snow is going to be a little deep. It's not going according to plan, huh?
And then the sun came crashing in. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Didn't make it very far.
I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, just don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Nope, breaking all kinds of stuff. Need a little air.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. Everything is looking up, everybody up now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
All right, let's see if we can start her up, warm her up, and let's see if we can ride in any of this. Oh, my helmet's full of snow. First snow rip of the season, and it is deep today. Oh, I forgot when I wear these boots, I can't shift. Lot of snow resistance. First gear. Oh, there's a turn. Here you go, little dude. Up, up. Enjoy the show.
If you love somebody, better tell them what they hear. They just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when. Well, then again, it just depends on how long the time is left.
Oh, right in the ditch already. No good way to stay out of the ditch. Everything's just super soft.
But don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. Hey. I'm on top of the world. Hey. Waiting on this for a while.
Whoa! Yeah! All right, 14 inches of snow is a bit much here. I'm gonna need a loop. Let's go cut some trail. Need a push? Oh. All right, go for it. Oh, other direction. Oh, you might make the corner.
Give me a push from this direction. This needs to go a few times. It's also, you can tell it's like soup.
Oh yeah.
Like stew in there actually.
As I was saying, I haven't finished the loop. Closest to a loop is here, but we got to get through this part.
I don't think we're plowing with the go-kart.
More speed. You run into the house. You ran into the house.
Like like fighting with me to change gears.
Yeah, it's warming up.
I didn't want to hit Minnie.
Good call. You went broadside. All right, turn you around.
Which way?
Easier for me to pull it downhill.
Push me uphill.
Up.
She's like, no more.
I was gonna say, you won't be able to push through that.
I'm working her. Let's see if I can make it another turn.
Same spot.
Okay, pull me down again. Let me see if I can do it. This is your CrossFit for the
Oh yeah. This is why we have to wait for the ground to freeze. We destroy the lawn. You just keep sliding sideways.
I got farther. I made it up.
What a pretty day. Pretty sunset. That was a pretty snowfall. Really nice. And I only broke one thing today. I only broke the auger control on the snowblower. There's pins inside. It's a pain to fix. Every couple of years it goes. Ugh. But for now, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Make sure we got enough wood for the fireplace for the evening. Probably uncover the hot tub and just take it in. Look at the way the snow's covering the trees out there. Really pretty. And now it's about to be hot tub time. I didn't put my snow pants on. Oh, it's filling my boots. There we have it. I'm gonna go turn out the lights. Maybe there's some stars tonight. And get the soreness out of the muscles. Gonna be really nice.